We're going to start by removing the wrapper from our room temperature stick of butter, and we'll place it in a nice ramekin here. And we'll use the wrapper to wipe out the inside of our baking pan. And we'll pick up a little more of this butter and we'll go ahead and wipe down our parchment paper. This will make for much easier removal. You want to make sure you use nicely ripened bananas, which we're going to peel. And lightly mash with a fork. Don't overdo it. Now you can put a half a cup of walnuts in your banana bread if you like, but if you decide to use chocolate chips, you want to take about 1.5 teaspoons of that flour and mix it with your chocolate chips so they won't sink when you put the bread together. We'll start by adding our sugar and our eggs to our mixing bowl, and we'll use a whisk to cream it up. After about 30 seconds, we'll add our stick of butter and continue to cream it up. Next, we're going to add our mashed bananas and our vanilla extract and continue to whisk to bring together. Next, we're going to add our flour, our cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And we'll use our spatula to fold in. Right about here, we're going to add our milk and continue to fold it in. You have to be careful not to overmix it here. We'll finish with our chocolate chips and that flour that we used to mix in there, so the chips won't sink to the bottom. We'll give them one last fold here. We'll pour it into our baking pan. Give it a little shake so there's no air bubbles. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, we're going to check the bread with a wooden skewer. If it comes out wet, we're going to put it back in for 10 more minutes.